The next item is div. So this is self-explanatory. This is very. I'll just quickly tell you about one or two things about this div. Let's say we have these cards. Okay. Let's say I have like five different cards inside a div. So there are some ready-made styles for the div, for this div. First is called the flex row. So when I use this row, it uses a flex box. It adds these classes to the flex. If you know a little bit about Flexbox, so Bootstrap has some very good documentation about how the Flexbox works, and there is this also very nice site called a Flexbox Froggy. So this can help you understand how the how the Flexbox works. So first is our row, then is the column in which all these are under each other. Then is the responsive Flexbox. So what happens is on the desktop, it is like in a row, but when you go on a mobile, it becomes like vertical. So this is a responsive. Then there's this Bootstrap container, which makes sure that your content always looks good on large screens. This is, and inside your div you can add any elements including the div itself.